everyone, welcome back to EasyBuy. Today we are covering functions in C with quick MCQs to boost your skills. Test your knowledge. Pause the video if you need more time and see how many you get right. Let's get started. What is the function in C? Options are data type, loop, block of code that performs a task, and variable. Option C is correct. A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. Which keyword is used to define a function? Options are define, function, void, and none of the above. Option D is correct. Functions are defined using a return type and a name. Example, int add function. No specific function keyword is used. Which of the following is a valid function declaration? Options are given below. Option A is correct. Valid declaration syntax includes a return type, function name, and a parameters. What is the default return type of a function in C? Options are int, void, float, and double. Option A is correct. If not specified, the default return type in C is int. What is the return type of main function in C? Options are int, void, char, and none. Option A is correct. The standard return type of main function in C is int. What does void indicates in a function declaration? Options are no return value, error, variable type, and integer. Option A is correct. Void means the function does not return any value. What is recursion? Options are loop, function calling another function calling itself, and none. Option C is correct. Recursion is when a function calls itself. What is the output of the following? Options are return sum, error, print sum, and infinite loop. Option A is correct. The function returns the sum of two integers. How many times is the main function executed? Options are 0, 1, 2, and infinite. Option B is correct. Main function runs only once when the program starts. This is not a valid return type in C. Options are int, void, struct, and string. Option D is correct. C has no built-in string type. It uses char array or char pointer. And a function returns multiple values in C. Options are yes, no, only integers, only characters. Option B is correct. A function in C returns only one value. Use pointer or struct to simulate multiple returns. What is a function prototype? Options are call to a function, declaration before main, recursion, and inline function. Option B is correct. A prototype informs the compiler about a function's return type and parameter before its use. Which is the correct function call? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Function calls uses the name and the actual values. What is the scope of a local variable? Options are whole program, within the block, global, and header file. Option D is correct. Local variables are accessible only within the block where they are defined. What is actual parameter? Options are variable in function definition, variable in main function, value passed to a function, and none. Option C is correct. Actual parameters are values passed to a function during a call. What is a formal parameter? Options are variables that receives the value, variable in main, pointers, and return value. Option A is correct. Formal parameters are declared in a function definition to receive value. Which statement is used to return a value from a function? Options are break, exit, return, and continue. Option C is correct. Return is used to send value back from a function. Can you call a function before declaring in C? Options are yes, no, only in C++, and only with recursion. Option A is correct. As long as a prototype is declared before use, a function can be called before definition. What is the output of the following? Options are nothing, error, hello, and 0. Option C is correct. What is a library function? Options are user-defined, built-in function, only for loops, and compiler option. Option B is correct. Library functions are predefined function provided by C libraries. What is a valid library function in C? Options are printf, display, main, init. Option A is correct. Printf is a standard library function from stdio.h. Header file is required for printf. Options are math.h, stdlib.h, stdio.h, string.h. Option C is correct. stdio.h provides input-output functions like printf. Which keyword is used to prevent returning a value? Options are void, stop, break, and skip. Option A is correct. Void specifies that a function does not return a value. Can we define a function inside another function in C? Options are yes, no, only in loops, and depend on the compiler. Option B is correct. Nested function definitions are not allowed in standard C. What is the output of this code? Options are 8, 16, 4, and error. Option B is correct. The function returns 4 cross 4 is equals to 16. Which keyword is used to end execution of a function and go back? Options are break, stop, return, and end. Option C is correct. Return exits the function and optionally returns a value. What is the return type of main function if it returns nothing? Options are int, void, float, and char. Option D is correct. If main function returns nothing, the return type is void. What is the role of header files in functions? Options are include variable, define constant, provide declaration, and allocate memory. Option C is correct. Header files provide function declaration and macros definitions. Output of the following. Options are 1 1, 1 2, 0 1, and 2 2. Option B is correct. Static retains value between calls. First call returns 1, second returns 2. Which is the correct syntax for a function that doesn't returns a value and takes no argument? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Void function is a correct for no return and no parameters. How many did you get right? Comment below your score and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on arrays. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.